In this video, we'll take a look at why SimplyBook.me is the perfect fit for event planners, entertainers, equipment, or venue leasing. You can accept online bookings from your own website and client app, as well as Facebook, Instagram, our booking page directory, and Google My Business. Accept online payments and deposits and use our point of sale system for on-site payments and tracking of all of the payment-related info. Use our marketing tools to let people know about the entertainment you offer and showcase your business. Use the group bookings feature to offer bookings to groups of people. Allow clients to register for a waiting list when a given slot is fully booked. Limit bookings based on the availability of equipment or rooms using related resources. Keep clients and service providers informed with notifications and reminders of upcoming bookings. Keep track of bookings, sales, provider workloads, and much more through your dashboard and insightful reports. Try our 14-day free trial today to see how you can grow your business with SimplyBook.me. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.